He is past 60, way past 60. He's now living in Paris somewhere, and he's come back on a mission.
हम जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है। ये आजकल का नया नया बच्चा लगा आया है, मेरा गाना गाता है, कॉपी करता है मेरी। अभी मैं तेरे को दिखाता हूँ ओरिजिनल क्या है, देखेगा? ठीक है? वो लाल बोतल देख रहा है?
It does fire him up a bit every time somebody calls him over, because he keeps doing things which are not commensurate with his age, whether it is action or whether it is singing and dancing or just the way he conducts himself. He's a happy person. He's a happy-go-lucky person. He's full of energy, full of life.
How do you like?
Just unbelievably huge.
So it's very difficult really to describe his character. I would say that he's a happy man when things are happy, when he's angry when things are angry.
Why are you laughing, Deepak?
As Abhishek said, he's back and he's angry. He coined something like that. I said, okay, fine. This is good. It's a departure from what I've been doing for the past almost 10-15 years. This is playing this aged patriarch.
चला 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 गोली। मैं मरूंगा तो बुलेट से ही मरूंगा, बीपी या शुगर से नहीं। एक बार मारना शुरू करता हूं तो मार ही देता हूं। थोड़े सारे नियम थोड़े 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 सर्दी थोड़े। बुड्ढा किसको बोलता? बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप।
खूबसूरती इस कहानी की ऐसी है कि उसको ऐसे पैकेज किया गया, ऐसे उसको बांधा गया है, जिसमें लोगों को लग रहा है कि शायद ये केवल एक्शन फिल्म है। जितने भी किरदार हैं ये सब सबकी एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है कहानी में, और सब अपनी अपनी जगह पर उत्तम है।
I play a cop in the film. You know, he's ACP Karan Malhotra, and a very loyal cop, and he wants to eliminate Underwood from the map of Mumbai.
Action!
It's quite a challenging role, and I always believe that in every actor's career there has to be a cop role that has to happen, that changes things for you, and nothing better than working with Mr. Bachchan and that too, playing a cop in that. For an actor, a police uniform always excites you. When you get into that uniform, the whole body language changes, and the whole approach towards the character changes. So I always thought, yeah, this is one role I always was looking forward to.
That becomes more personal if I'm saying Karan Malhotra. It's not only Mumbai Bills, but I am after them.
Yeah, correct.
Cop role, police film with Mr. Bachchan. You can't ask for anything more.
हेमा जी हमारी पत्नी है।
मैं अभी तक समझ नहीं पाई कि मुझे तुमसे कैसे प्यार है।
वो घर पे ही है ना?
नहीं, अभी भी बाहर गए।
अगले गए?
हाँ।
फोन करो और वापस बुलाओ उसको। कर, फोन कर।
रवीना टंडन विवाहित हैं किसी और के साथ। एक जमाने में उनका लगाव था मेरे तरफ।
Kamini!
Pintu! Oh my God!
This is... Gosh!
Pintu!
How are you been?
Oh God!
चार्मी रवीना की बेटी का रोल निभा रही है।
आजकल के कच्चे बच्चों ने मगर मुझे और look.
Sexy. Buddha, I play Amrita. She's always behind her mom, and that is Ravina ji. She's basically a very young, bubbly, kid-like, innocent character. And मुंह पे जो आता है बोल देती है, एकदम मुंह फट है।
वो मित्र हैं सोनल की।
Well, my role is of a college-going young girl, today's girl, very, it's a girl that everyone can relate to. She's somebody who goes to shopping malls for shopping, and she hangs around with her friends, and you know, she's in one of those phases where this guy really likes her and she doesn't like him, and she's trying to be a snob a little bit, but it's a very interesting character.
Hey, Budhe!
बुड्ढा किसको बोलता? बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप.
Initially we thought about the styling and all. Lepakshi did the styling and all, and Bachchan-ji contributed a lot.
Puri wanted something flamboyant, something that is not normal, something unusual, because he is an unusual character. The brief that was given to the designer, Lepakshi, was that this is what you want. So she went and she, you know, designed lots of stuff. She got a lot of stuff from England.
We realized that the forecast is a lot of floral and paisleys are coming in. The prints which he's wearing are printed specially. A lot of digital prints have been developed specially just for those shirts which we have made for him. And what he's wearing, we had to probably accentuate few of the colors because we wanted him to look and come across a bit loud. We did a look test with him, which where we tried on a lot of looks. So we tried a lot of stuff, and then we eventually realized that, you know, what we actually want to project him as.
One day I went to his house. He showed me his wardrobe. I was shocked because, you know, there's so many colorful goggles distributed for my character. I'm very happy to see all this stuff and all. Finally, Bachchan and Lepakshi both designed the look, and the look is fantastic.
And a lot of it is actually my own personal stuff, which you buy on the spur of the moment but never ever use them. So happily we've been able to use it in the film.
To be honest, when I saw that border, I was shocked, and I looked at him. I was like, "Really? Do you wear all this?" And where? Well, luckily, probably he has an amazing taste and a varied taste in clothing and accessories. He was involved in each and every costume which we were doing. I would put it that.
मेरा पढ़ने का चश्मा है ना, पीला और लाल.
Each and every outfit which we were doing, we used to sit and discuss after the shoot.
It's a jeans. I'll show you that jeans. It has a big multicolored panther on it.
The side is there.
That's it.
Yeah. Make it look tough.
You know, unique things like jeans, which have all kinds of carvings on them. So yeah, so it's going to look a little over the top, but that's what the character is, and that's what the director wanted.
This is extremely funny, and I have to tell you this, that this was the first day when he was getting ready, and there was an outfit which had 2 to 3 colors, and I realized, oh, he's wearing 2 watches. He never mentioned it to me that, Lepakshi, I'm thinking this or that.
Suddenly in the set I saw him wearing 2 watches. And what's that? You know, usually wearing 2 watches, yes, how is the look? This is my look, you know.
So I just ran to him before the shot was called, and I was like, "Sir, you're wearing 2 watches." He gave me such a blank look and just twisted my hand and said, "This is what I want to do. This is my style, Lepakshi." Then I realized that yes, it is looking so cool and it is looking so amazing.
He's going to stand out if he moves out in a crowd because of what he's wearing.
Hey!